25%. 25%. That's the number of SBI PO 2019 vacancies that were filled by Oliveboard students. How did we achieve such high results? More than 80% of the questions were from our live classes. Live practice of 2000 plus questions in 45 plus live sessions. Our classes of SBI PO 2019 generated close to 5 lakh plus views. This year we are raising the bars. We are taking the challenge to fill 40% of SBI PO 2020 vacancies with our students and help them to achieve their dream banking job. Join us in this mission.
Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you are well. This is the third video in the Spoken English series and the second video with grammar at its core. So, let us begin. Well, in the previous video, we had discussed that grammar lies at the core of the English language. But we must also consider the fact that there are numerous grammar rules and there are exceptions to most of them. So, you are not expected to learn all those grammar rules and exceptions in the very beginning. What you are expected to do is go through the ones that we have listed for you in these videos and practice those rules. What is expected out of you is to send across a clear, comprehensible message without committing any blunders. And we are here to help you with exactly that. On that note, let's begin our video. The first point that I have listed for you here is adjectives are used usually before a noun. Consider this sentence. He owns a black Mercedes. Now, black here is the adjective and Mercedes here is the noun. Now, the exception to this rule is this is not the case when the verb separates the adjective and the noun. Consider this sentence. His car is black. So, car here is the noun and black here is the adjective. Now, to understand this better, consider the second example. I gifted my father an engraved watch. So, watch here is the noun and engraved here is the adjective. But when this sentence is rephrased using this exception, the sentence reads, the watch I gifted my father was engraved. So, engraved here is the adjective and watch here is the noun. What I want you to do is, I want you to rephrase this sentence using this exception and comment your answers in the comments section. Moving on, the second point is that of pronoun misplacement. Consider this example. Take a deep breath through your nose and hold it. Now, we don't know whether the speaker is asking us to hold our nose or is he asking us to hold our breath. So, the correct rephrasing of this sentence must be take a deep breath through your nose and hold your breath. According to this sentence, it is clear that the speaker is asking us to hold our breath. Consider the second example. After replacing the CD in the drive, he sold it. We don't know whether he sold the CD or did he sell the drive. So, the correct rephrasing of this sentence must be after inserting the CD in the drive, or after replacing the CD in the drive, he sold the drive. So now we know that he sold the drive and not the CD. So the exercise or the question for you is, if you are unable to sell all the candy bars to children on Christmas, pack them for New Year's Eve. Comment your answers in the comments section. Now let us discuss the difference between there and there. Now, if you notice that the pronunciation for all these three words is the same. There here is a third person plural possessive pronoun. Consider this phrase, their car. So their here indicates that the car belongs to them. So there indicates possession. There can be used as an adverb indicating a place, or it can be used as a pronoun. Consider this example. He went there to pick up his letters. So there here is being used as an adverb. This could refer to the post office, it could refer to his living room, it could refer to any place. But we know that there is being used as an adverb here. Moving on, there is a contraction of they are or they were. So, in case of this sentence, they are going to the playground. There here means they are going to the playground or they were going to the playground. Moving on, let us discuss the difference between its and its. Again, the pronunciation for both these words remains the same. Its is a contraction of it is or it has. Consider this example. It's been raining since morning. So its here means it has been raining since morning. On the other hand, its is a possessive determiner. For instance, when you say my book, your car, you indicate that the book belongs to me or the car belongs to you. Similarly, when you say its length and breadth, you mean the length and breadth of the figure in question. So this figure could be a rectangle. Moving on, let us solve these three sentences together. The company increased dash profits. Now which its will fit in this blank? Here the profits belong to the company. So the profits are possessed by the company. Possession is being indicated. So here you will use its. In the second question, their house has dash own swimming pool in the backyard. Again, here the swimming pool belongs to the house. So here also you will use its. Now, in the third sentence, his coat looks as if it's brand new. Which it's? It's with apostrophe because this indicates that the coat is brand new. It is brand new. Moving on, the difference between your and your. Your is a second person possessive determiner. For instance, your cat broke my planter. So the cat belongs to you and your cat broke my planter. On the other hand, your is a contraction of you are. For example, you are welcome to join us at the club. So you are welcome to join us at the club. Let us solve these two sentences for more clarity. He said, you're perfect for the job. So, you are perfect for the job. And it's not your fault. So, your here indicates that the fault belongs to you. So, this your indicates that the fault belongs to you. It indicates possession. So, hence the possessive determiner. Moving on, this brings us to the second exercise of this session. Now, this exercise might come off as a very interesting exercise for you. I want you to describe this picture in not more than 15 sentences. You can talk about the birds, you can talk about the children playing, you can talk about the fruit basket here. This exercise will be helpful for you if you conceive the original thoughts in English itself. For instance, if you talk about this man playing with his dog right here. Now, if you conceive the original idea in English itself, it would be helpful for you. And this exercise in general would be helpful if you look up the newspaper and describe at least 4 to 5 such pictures in the newspaper every day. Repeat this exercise for at least 1 week. So then you would start thinking about the daily happenings around you in English itself. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked the video, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you.
25%, 25%. That's the number of SBI PO 2019 vacancies that were filled by Oliveboard students. How did we achieve such high results? More than 80% of the questions were from our live classes. Live practice of 2000 plus questions in 45 plus live sessions. Our classes of SBI PO 2019 generated close to 5 lakh plus views. This year we are raising the bars. We are taking the challenge to fill 40% of SBI PO 2020 vacancies with our students, and help them to achieve their dream banking job. Join us in this mission.